Good evening, everyone. This is Atticus from The Complete Trade, and today I'm going to be taking a look at the price of Bitcoin. So, following up on the most recent Coinbase stock video, Bitcoin is also stuck in the neutral zone, not particularly too bullish nor too bearish. Hypothetically speaking, if Bitcoin was to drop lower over the next coming days and weeks, my downside targets for this wave 2 retracement still remain at the 50 weekly moving average at $24,556 and the blue Fibonacci retracement support area that spans between $20,178.97 to $23,788.78. So long as our blue Fibonacci retracement support area continues to hold as support, I'm still expecting a wave 3 extension northwards of over $40,000. In order for me to consider that Bitcoin has already bottomed and ready for its next leg up, Bitcoin needs to break above the August high set at $28,184.89 in order to confirm that a potential uptrend is starting to form. So moving on into the S&P 500, continuing off last week's video, the S&P 500 has continued to tank lower into our blue Fibonacci retracement support area that spans between $4,189 and $4,404. The S&P 500 formed a Morningstar reversal pattern this week on the daily time frame, which is an early indication that the S&P 500 is finding demand and bottoming out. So moving onwards towards the Elliott wave count, the current wave 4 correction is in the form of a 535 ABC zigzag, and the S&P 500 is currently finding support at the 1-to-1 trend-based fib extension at $4,273 in our white demand trend line. If this current wave 4 correction were to prolong further towards the downside, the 200 daily moving average in red, the 500 daily moving average in blue, as well as the 50% Fibonacci retracement level at $4,200 should be an ideal target for the bottom of this wave 4 correction. Afterwards, we can start working on a wave 5 impulse towards new yearly highs. If the S&P 500 does put in a new yearly high, that just increases the probability that Bitcoin will also put in a new yearly high. We'll finish this week's episode by taking a look at Bitcoin's regression bands to remind ourselves where we are in the cryptocurrency market cycle. Just a quick recap, the red region represents Bitcoin's overvaluation, the green region represents Bitcoin's undervaluation, and the blue line represents Bitcoin's fair value. As each week passes by, the regression bands will continue to push on higher. For this week, Bitcoin's undervaluation region spans from $14,591 to $26,908, and Bitcoin's fair value is at $34,000. As stated in previous videos, so long as Bitcoin trades under the fair valuation, Bitcoin is most likely just to trade sideways for the foreseeable future. Okay, so yeah, that's my analysis on Bitcoin for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.